Welcome to the Hey Maaa medley of hearts. Can you guess how many heart wreaths we actually made? Hey Maaa! Love is in the air and heart wreaths are everywhere. So we sought out to make the most transformative wreath, basically the last wreath that you ever have to make, and you can get a whole bunch of looks from it. You can tell me at the end how many looks we actually got. I will give you a hint. We started with 3 separate wreaths. So we'll go through how we made those and the different ways that you can display them. My mother and I started with these basic red wreaths bought from Dollar Tree. They're a red, silver, sparkly kind of material with silver love written on them. There's even a ribbon attached to the back and they're ready to hang just like that. But that's not good enough for us. So my mother decided to go with a pretty pink scarf and some sparkly pink hearts. What she decided to do was to take this scarf and weave it in and out of the plastic mesh that's on the back of these hearts. She especially liked this method because she said it's not permanent and you can swap out the scarf whenever you like, or take the scarf off and even can still wear it. But it's a nice quick way to transform the red heart. You just go in and out, and then you tie it around the top. So then she went ahead and glued the pink sparkly hearts at the bottom of the wreath, and that's just a nice little touch that she added. She then glued this handmade lei around the perimeter of the heart. If you'd like to see how this lei was made out of petals bought from the Dollar Tree, just leave a comment below. And that completes my mother's wreath. This is what it looks like hung up. It was then my turn with the red heart. I decided this heart wasn't going to tell me what to do, so I ripped the love right off. Actually, I peeled it off very gently so I could use it again later. It was hot glued on. And then I made these resin hearts. Comment below if you'd like to see details on how to make these in another video. I glued the resin hearts along with some flowers onto my heart, and then I was done. Not to be outdone by myself, I decided to create an awesome outer wreath that could encircle both of these wreaths in its warm embrace. So I grabbed 2 wire hangers and bent them into submission and created a huge heart shape. Let me know in the comments if you'd like to see details on how to do this type of wreath, because I did use the baggie technique, where you basically put a hole in the bottom of the baggie and you then tie it around the wire hanger and it becomes this nice little fluffy wreath. After you're done making knots around the whole heart form, you can clip the ends to make it really fuzzy. So this is what it came out looking like. And if you're really skilled at bending the wire hanger, you'll make sure there's a hook on there so you can just hook the loop of the heart and it'll look like this. So I call this the daddy of the heart, but because girls rule, we're gonna soften that up a bit. Remember that love? Okay, so grab your love, some pink paint, and some sparkles. The love is getting a makeover. And it comes out looking like this. I thought that was pretty cool to just, you know, put it on the bottom of that with a couple of flowers. And that's a look right there. But I wound up adding more flowers and some of those resin hearts to the completed outer heart wreath. And it looks like this. The mother of all wreaths. Here it is with the wreath that I created inside of it, even though it's a little crooked. And this is with the wreath my mother created inside of it. So let's count down our medley of heart wreaths. How many looks did we get? So there you go, 12 different looks. Hey, if you like these crafts and they spark some creativity in you, hit that like button. And if you can't wait to see more creative crafts from Hey Maaa, hit the subscribe button and make my mom very happy.